So I'm going to show you how to make the magic circle that doesn't loosen up. Doesn't matter what kind of yarn you have if you're just trying to practice. What you're going to do is you're going to wrap your yarn around like this and then crisscross it just because it's easier to see where you have to go. You're going to go under this loop and this loop. You're going to go over this loop and pull it through. Then you're going to go back and chain one. If you're doing a half double crochet, you can chain another, or you can leave it at that. If you're doing a double crochet, you're going to want to chain one more, at least. Now you're going to take your loop and you're going to go in and do your regular chain, or your regular stitches around the loops. I'm going to do 6 single crochet. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to find this little yarn end. I like to bring it up, and then I'm going to pull a little bit so that I shorten one of these loops. You're going to take the shorter of the 2 loops and you're going to pull this way, and that will cinch in the other loop. And once it's cinched in, then you can find the yarn end again and pull that loop too. And that's all there is to it.